In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Myki card in Melbourne. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find all the information regarding the Myki cards on the Public Transport Victoria website. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.ptv.vic.gov.au. In the public transport website, you can click Tickets on the menu at the top of the screen and select Myki, your ticket to travel from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page that has all the necessary information for you to acquire your Myki ticket card and use it whenever you want. As you can see, they have detailed explanations on what is Myki, how to create an account and register your Myki, and how to top up and use the balance inside of the card. You will have other functions like seeing your travel history and managing your card from the website or from your phone. All that you have to do after you visit this website is to create an account and select if you want to buy a new Myki, or if you already have a Myki, make sure you register and activate it through the website. So I'm gonna select buy a new Myki, for example, and you will be able to follow through the instructions to acquire your Myki card. Follow the instructions on screen and be aware of the necessary information and any possible fees. As long as you include valid and legitimate contact information, you will be able to acquire your Myki card and manage it from this website. Select Myki Online Top Up and you will be good to go to use your card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Myki card in Melbourne. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.